In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wufoo form private. This is an important step if you want to ensure that only authorized users can view and submit your form, enhancing privacy and control. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Wufoo account. Head over to your internet browser and navigate to the Wufoo website. Enter your login credentials. This will usually include your email and your password. If you've forgotten your login information, there's often a forgot password option you can use to reset it. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the Wufoo dashboard. Next, let's locate the Forms page, sometimes referred to as the Form Manager. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the forms you've created in Wufoo. Take a moment to browse through your list of forms. You'll want to find the specific form that you intend to make private. If you have many forms, there may be a search bar or sorting features to help you quickly find the form you're looking for. Now that you've found your form, look closely at the options associated with it. There will usually be a menu or an icon labeled More, sometimes symbolized by 3 dots, also known as an ellipsis. This is where additional options and settings for your form are kept. Click on this menu to reveal a list of actions you can take with your form. Within this list, there should be an option labeled Make Private, often accompanied by a locked or lock icon for quick visual identification. Click on Make Private. What happens when you click? This depends on the current privacy status of your form. If your form is currently public, selecting this option will change its status to private, restricting accessibility. On the other hand, if your form is already private, you might see the option as toggled on or notice a Make Public option instead. Choose accordingly if you wish to toggle back to public access. Lastly, remember to save or confirm your changes if prompted. This step ensures that the new privacy settings are applied correctly to your form. Once you have confirmed the update, the form is now private. It means that only users who are logged into your Wufoo account can view or submit the form. This effectively blocks public access, whether it's through a direct link or an embedded version of your form elsewhere on the web. And there you have it. You've successfully made your Wufoo form private. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have more questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.